viewers. I am Dr. Neha, and today we'll be discussing about Unit 5, Engineering Chemistry. In Lecture 1, we'll be discussing about Introduction to Elastomers. Elastomers are those polymers which are having property of elasticity. Then we will discuss about some important and popular commercial polymers that are famous in industry as elastomers, that is Buna N, Buna S, neoprene, raw rubber. Lecture 2 will include the introduction to fibers. The popular fibers in the industry are classified into two heads. The first is polyamides and second is polyesters. Polyamides are further classified into three types: nylon 6,6, nylon 6, and Kevlar, which are in the syllabus. And terylene will represent the polyesters. Then lecture 3 will be introduction to conducting polymers. Conducting polymers are non-traditional new variety of polymers which have power to conduct heat and electricity, unlike the traditional polymers which were treated like insulators. We will be discussing about its definition, its classification. The conducting polymers are classified into two types: intrinsic conducting polymers and extrinsic conducting polymers. Then we will discuss their application in the current scenario in the industry. Lecture 4 will include introduction to polymer composites. Polymer composites will further be classified on two bases. First is on the basis of reinforcement. On the basis of reinforcement, polymer composites are of three types. And next, classifications on the basis of matrix. On this basis, polymer composites are four types. Then we will end up with the learning of applications in the current industry. Lecture 5 will include introduction to thermosets and thermoplastic polymers. We will learn what are thermoplastics and their types. And further, we'll learn about thermosets and their types. In the end, we'll see what is the difference between thermosettings and thermoplastics. Lecture 6 will include organometallic compounds, which is the second part of this unit. So first, we will start with the introduction to organometallic compounds. Then we will see various methods of synthesis of organometallic compounds. Then we will study in detail two organometallic compounds in our syllabus, that is Grignard reagent and lithium aluminum hydride, and their preparation, properties, and applications. These are the books which we will be using for our reference and for your detailed study. You can also check them out. Thank you.